Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is on iOS 13. 1 or later and Bluetooth is on. Place the primary AirPods in your ears and open the second pair's case near the device, or press their setup button to enter pairing mode. Once done, unlock the device and keep both sets close. Proximity triggers the audio sharing UI. You're initiating the connection now so the system can detect the second headset and present the share option. You now activate audio sharing. Swipe to Control Center or tap the Now Playing card while media is playing. Tap the audio output tile, then choose Share Audio. The system scans and lists nearby compatible AirPods. Select the second pair when it appears and grant permissions if prompted. Once paired, the phone maintains 2 independent audio streams routed from one device, so you can set each listener's volume separately, and both hear the same content in sync. Finish by confirming both sets are hearing audio and adjust levels to taste. You control playback from the host device or either pair's controls. If you notice lag or dropouts, move both AirPods and the host device closer and minimize interfering Wi-Fi or Bluetooth devices. If sharing still fails, put the problematic AirPods back in their case, close and reopen it, or toggle Bluetooth. As a last resort, forget and repair the earbuds. That clears state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.